Why are you so serious? Many people ask INTJs this question out of the blue, and many INTJs are taken aback because we were merely minding our business when a stranger infringed on our deep thoughts without provocation. Deep thought requires intense concentration, and since we are often focusing on solving complex problems, we are the epitome of seriousness. My Aunt Kathy once described me to someone as being intense. Surprisingly, I never asked what she meant about the statement, but I believe I knew. I have an extreme personality. My world is black and white with slight shades of gray. Since I was a child, I never understood how some people took life so lightly. I took advantage of every opportunity afforded to me. Do you want to know why? Find out now by reading the new article, Why Are INTJs So Serious, by clicking the link below.